is one of my best machines. They see results. Is one of the best that they can have in the spa. It's amazing. For me, I would stay with Zemits EndoLuxx Pro. My name is Gabriela. I'm located in 353rd Lexington Avenue, 3 minutes from Grand Central Avenue. I offer Zemits EndoLuxx. It's one of my best machines. I love it because it's for body and face, and you can work with cellulite, contouring the body. And I have the butt capping machine also that my clients love it because you can work and tone your butt, so it can look more firm after you finish doing exercise. So I love Zemits because I have an issue with another company. I don't want to say the name. And when I contact Zemits, right away they send me the machine. If something get damaged, in 2 days, I have everything back and I can work with my clients right away. I don't need to wait so long. I feel like that's something that I love about the service of Zemits, and I love Zemits. I have Zemits EndoLuxx Pro, I have the capping machine, and I have another device that are like you can for cellulite treatment. I see a lot of results, especially in my clients that have cellulite. So after the first treatment, they see results, and then they come in every week. And I always post before and after pictures, and I'm very happy that they always happy with my treatment and they see amazing results. I put before and after pictures. So the most popular is Zemits EndoLuxx Pro. Even I did one of my clients that she's a celebrity and she loved the treatment and she posted the picture before and after. And for me, I would stay with Zemits EndoLuxx Pro. I love the results. So my Zemits treatment, when I do body contour, I work with my hands and then with the machine, I charge $350 and it is amazing. And if I only doing Zemits EndoLuxx Pro and I don't do machines, I charge $220. For me, Zemits, I love how the machines are. One, the quality, it's amazing. I like to work with high-end machines, and Zemits is one of the best that I really recommend because if you can see any device for Zemits, the quality, it's beautiful. I have a lot of people that send me emails and ask me questions, and I always tell them that Zemits EndoLuxx Pro and the capping machine for the butt is one of the best that they can have in the spa. It's amazing.